Welcome back. Since we have the ability to create images with ChatGPT, we can go into our tools. We can create an image and upload it to Sora. So in this case, we're going to click on Picture, and we're going to ask for ChatGPT to create a picture. And we're going to now click Enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to create our image. And ChatGPT has now created the image. What we can do is we can then click on top of this image if we want to edit the image. But in this case, we're going to assume that we do like this image. So now what we can do is we're going to download the image. We're now going to go to Sora, and we're going to upload the image. The Sora will require that I'm going to show you where the image is going to be drawn from. What we're going to do is we're going to ask Sora to create our image. We're going to ask for two variations, and this is going to take us 50 credits. And it appears that we do have 234 credits left, and we're going to create our video. And if you are in your dashboard, Sora will tell you the progress of the video here in this area. And so what you're going to see are going to be two variations of the video, and we're going to choose one of those videos to go forward in order to use in our collection. And we're going to take one of these globes, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to see if we can get the AI to zoom out to see the entire globe. So we're now going to click on Remix and describe some changes. In this case, we're going to use one variation, and this is going to cost us 25 credits. So we're now going to click Remix. We're going to leave it a strong remix, so we're going to try to see if we can get the AI in order to remix the video. We're now going to head out to the dashboard so we can follow the progress. And we can see the progress on our new project. And we can now click on our new notification to see our image. And what you're going to see now is that Sora is going to give us a choice again. And we're going to choose the one that we like best. In this case, we're going to say that we like the one on the left best. And we're going to keep that video for our purposes. So you can start with an image and you can upload that image to Sora in order to create a video from that image. And that is what we have done in this case. We attempted to try to get the video to appear more like the other ones that we have. However, now that we have the video, we're going to take the video and going to put it in our collection. We're going to click on top of the video, going to go to the ellipsis, and we're going to add the video to our collection. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We're now going to create another similar scene, and we're going to create this scene. In this case, we're only going to use one variation, and we're going to use regular resolution. This is going to take 25 credits. We are going to go ahead and add this video to the queue, and we'll be able to follow the progress here in this area. And our video is now completing. We can follow the progress here, as well as in the right-hand corner, and we can now see our image. And we're now going to create one more image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to write in a prompt. And we're now going to click Enter. Our new video is now added to the queue, and we're going to follow the progress here, as well as in the right-hand corner. And our video is now complete. We're going to try to attempt to get the video to center and to zoom in. So we're going to remix the video, and to describe our changes, we're going to use two variations. That's going to cost us 50 credits. We have 134 left, so we're going to cut this down to one variation. So we still have one more element that we need to create. We're now going to remix this to see if we can get a better view of the snow globe in this particular image. We're going to head out to the dashboard and we're going to wait for Sora to complete the remix. And the video is now in its completion stage. Now, ordinarily, if credits and time were permitting, we would work with this video a little longer. However, what we're going to do for the sake of this video is we're going to create a new storyboard. And we're going to add in, and we're going to shorten the duration of this particular clip. And we're going to add in another scene. And we're going to add in the scene from a different city. And we're going to shorten that clip. And we're going to add in a scene from another city. And we're going to grab that clip. And we're going to lengthen the video. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add in a scene from another video. And we're going to choose that scene from our library. And we're going to choose it. What we're going to do here is we're going to lengthen some of the clips and to adjust them. What we want to do now is we want to see how many credits. Now creating this video is going to use 50 of our credits. We do have the credits, and we're now going to create the final video. And the video has been added to the queue. We're now going to head out to our dashboard. Now that we have placed the videos on our storyboard, and we're going to await the new video. And the video is now in its completion stage. And the final video is ready for us to view. And we can see our final video. So you can storyboard your videos, and if you don't like the story, you can adjust the story in order to make it what you want it to be. So we have now seen all of the major elements of using Sora. If you already have the Plus account for ChatGPT, you can begin to learn how to use Sora to create the videos that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.